Welcome to Hands on Fun. Yo soy Lalo and I am Lela. Do you want to know how we did una tortuga, a turtle, una flor, a flower, y un helado, an ice cream? Yeah, thanks, Lalo. Yeah, we want to know. Let's see. Yeah, we got this Play-doh molding set, and it looks like it brings a lot of super cool tools, Lela. Yeah, it comes with scissors and a confetti maker and an easy moulder. Yeah, and also the letters and the numbers. I can finally practice my singing. A, B, C. Oh, Lela, please. Okay, stop. Well, we can stop now. Lalo, that's not funny. Not funny. Oh, come on, Lela. Don't be mad at me. I was just kidding. Yeah, she's starting now to mold the turtle. Yeah, Lalo, did you know that turtles are reptiles? Like snakes? Yeah, I know that. But did you also know that not all turtles can swim? Yeah, some turtles prefer to live on land. Yeah, they don't have flippers, you know. Yeah, so if you find a turtle that doesn't have flipper, please don't throw it in the water. Yeah, poor turtle. It wants... I think this one prefers land. Look, it doesn't have flippers and it has a big smile because it's out of the water. Yeah, how pretty. And there it goes. Adios, turtle. And now, what is the mold? What can we do with the next one? Yeah. Oh, Lela, it looks like it's the pink flower. That's how she got the pink flower, you know? Yeah. Yeah. It looks very pretty. Oh, look. Yeah, and it has a blue. Cool. I really like those scissors. Imagine all the things we can do with it. Yeah, Lela, we can mold a beach scene with waves, big waves, so I can surf them. Yeah, or we can also mold a beach hat, really big, so we can protect ourselves from the sun, you know. Oh, cool. She's making the ice cream. That's what it is. She's making the ice cream now. Yeah, let's see how she does it. Ah, cool. She's using the confetti maker. Yeah. You can get 4 different shapes out of the confetti maker. Yeah, it looks like you can get a star in a triangle, an oval, and a rectangle. Yeah, how cool is that? I like that. Yeah, I don't know if Mom is gonna like all the confettis. we've got one turtle, una tortuga, one flower, una flor, and one ice cream, un helado. Lalo, doesn't that say helado? No, Lela, you don't pronounce the H in Spanish. Okay, kids, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, come back, tell your friends, and we'll be here next week again with a lot of fun. Yeah! Bye! That was my line. Yeah, I know. You're cracking yourself up? Yes, I am.